y'all. So quick little project for the day. Painting these gloss black. I got I think this is like 2 coats. I still gotta do some more. It's not 100% even just yet. So you got a couple light spots, but a couple more coats of gloss on that. Brakes are done. Just painted them gloss red. Yep. This is coming back in a little bit, like a week or so. We're gonna wrap the roof black, gloss black. Probably do something on the hood, but yeah. For now, gloss red brakes and gloss black wheels. Getting these wheels back on. So the gloss black. I guess these red calipers look real good. Dust on there. But yep, I got the caps still over there, so I gotta snap them in. But I'm gonna at least get the wheels on first, and then just kind of knock those in. Let the caps dry a little bit more before I try to press them down. I don't want to get any fingerprints or anything in the paint while it's still kind of soft. So just gonna wait till I get all the wheels on. But it's gonna look good once it's all down and together. I should have took a picture before, but you know what they look like, polished silver. So wipe off some of the dirt, so when you come back to pick it up, it'll look real legit. But yep, quick little project for the day. Finished product, gloss black on the wheels, gloss red on the brakes, center caps all back on. Came out real good. Like I said, the next up for this one, we're doing the roof. It's probably like a week or so. But I gotta order the materials, but came out pretty good. Got some of the dirt cleaned off, so you can really see it, but looks good. So this is heading out the door, and we're on to the next one, whatever that may be.